Street lights are the guardians of our nights, but rain, heat, and corrosion, they are silent enemies. Weak connectors mean flickering lights, endless repairs, and streets left in the dark. Meet the JL200 Series 3-pin receptacle from LongJoin. Born from real-world feedback, designed for durability, and built to transform outdoor lighting reliability. This compact powerhouse brings more than just connection. A 3-pin standard interface for compatibility, a full GUI seal for unbeatable waterproofing, fully covered metal sheets for rock-solid grounding, and vibration resistance that stands the test of time, where others let in water, rust, and heat damage. JL200 shuts the door on failure. Every contact point is sealed, every material is anti-corrosive, every alignment precise. That means lights stay on always. Engineered to perform across 0 to 480 volts, from -40 to +70 degrees, and under humidity close to 100%. JL200 thrives where others break. Yes, it costs a little more upfront, but here's the twist. Cities that switch saw service costs drop by almost half. One-time install, years of savings. That's real value. The JL200 series isn't just a connector. It's smarter design, lasting trust, and brighter nights. LongJoin, where lighting control meets purpose.